Hello there. So we are live from Guardian IBS in Arkansas. My name is Isabel, and today I would like to teach you about the finance rule called 50-20-30 rule. My question is, it is tax season now, and you're probably expecting a big IRS refund check. Or my question is, what do you normally do on a monthly basis when you get your paycheck or when you get your big money? So let's apply the 50-20-30 rule. First is 50%. So let's say this is your paycheck. I'm just representing it with a big $100 bill. So 50% says that half of what I normally get as my paycheck or my IRS refund is going to be going to this portion. First of all, you have to be grateful that you have a home, that you have basic needs that you need to take care of. So half of your paycheck should go to your home expenses. It should go to your utilities, your water, electricity, your gas. It should also go to your communications, your computer, your cell phone, expenses, and also a big portion of it is going to go towards your transportation, whichever way of transportation you use. Okay, so now let's talk about the 20%. What are you going to do with that small portion left over from your paycheck, which represents 20% of your expenses? Think about savings, but I want you to think about it differently from an abundance point of view. So when you think of savings, you're going to think that you're going to put your money into motion. It's not going to be sitting there in a piggy bank or in a jar or in a savings account. So I want you to think positive, and we're going to start moving this 20%. What could happen with that 20%? Well, maybe you're going to use it towards your family staying healthy. We're not going to think negative. We're not going to think that we're going to spend this money to get sick, but we're going to reverse it and think in a positive way. So you focus on your family staying healthy, staying active. Another way you can use this 20% is maybe you have in mind a future project. So you need to take it one step at a time. Each month, you're going to allocate money towards that future or dream project that you might have. Or maybe you are thinking that you deserve this awesome vacation. So this is how you put this money into motion, into something positive, into a future project, or even something that you truly deserve. Now, the other portion of your paycheck or your IRS refund is going to represent 30% of that money that you receive. Now, 30%, I want you to think that you are super valuable. You are a very important person. You need to take care of yourself first. So let's think how you can bring value to yourself. Think of moving up in your current job, up in your economic situation. So you have to take care of your own self in order for you to move into a society where you're going to get this money into motion and a better position of abundance. Okay, so there are two ways that you can get yourself into a better situation. One of them is going to be invest that 30% and save it towards your education. You might need to get a degree in order for you to continue moving up into this tree of abundance. Another way that you can better yourself is not only reading or investing in yourself, but maybe you have a hobby that you can develop and you can become an expert in this field. So when you become an expert, you're going to be somebody of value. So think this 30% is going to be well invested into yourself. It's going to be part of what we call your education and part of moving up into this ladder. So the more you know, the better you are, the better you can be for your family, and we are creating value for yourself. So I'm gonna leave you with this thought tonight. So think of wiser finances, where you allocate 50% to your basic expenses, 20% is to your tree of abundance, and 30% is gonna be you, because you are of super value.